Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add an inbound InGroup to your Parrot predictive dialer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an InGroup with the basic important options to get you started. Before we begin, for your Parrot to receive inbound calls, you first have to set up an InGroup. InGroups allow you to set up different groupings of inbound numbers and closer groups. If you want this InGroup to be assigned to a custom user group, the user group has to be created before proceeding with this video. How to add a user group is covered in another video. Now, let's begin. From the Parrot Administration Dashboard, go to the Inbound section, select InGroups, and click on Add a new InGroup. As with most Parrot Add New Record forms, you won't see all of the options until after the new InGroup is added. You have to enter an InGroup ID and InGroup name, or the submission will not be accepted. The group ID can be between 2 and 20 characters without spaces and can be letters or numbers. Note, the InGroup ID must be unique and cannot have the same ID as a campaign ID, and a created name or ID should never start with a 0. I'm going to enter Video IB. The group name can have a maximum of 30 characters but cannot have dashes, pluses, or spaces. I'll enter Video in Group without spaces. The group color is the color that displays when a call comes in on this InGroup. The color name must be between 2 and 7 characters. I'll enter green. Make sure Active is set to active. Select the admin user group you want to use for this InGroup. This allows you to restrict who can view this InGroup. The default is All, which allows any admin user to view this InGroup. I'll select the Video Sales group I added in another video. Next Agent Call determines which agent receives the next call that is available. I'll change it to Longest Wait Time. To see what the choices mean, click on the circled question mark to the right, and a help screen will pop up. Click on Submit. The InGroup has been added. Notice that this InGroup is not set as allowed in any campaigns. An inbound closer campaign or a blended campaign has to be created before this InGroup can be assigned to it, and the campaign has to allow the InGroup. How to create these campaigns are covered in other videos. Now that the InGroup has been added, you will see the expanded options of the modification screen. Important: you will need to contact one of our Parrot support representatives to further modify this InGroup, as well as have them point a phone number to it. To see your new InGroup from the Inbound section, you can click on InGroups and Show InGroups. Here is the InGroup I just created. The red box indicates that this InGroup is not set to Allowed in a campaign. Once it is allowed in a campaign, the red box will disappear. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.